In today's stressful life, owning a hot tub can not only improve your health, it can also create quality time for the entire family. Stay safe in your own backyard and save top dollars on traveling and visiting day spas and massage centers. If your spa or hot tub needs repairs, Acura Spa Systems has created an easy and affordable way to fix and rejuvenate it yourself. Buy factory direct from one of the oldest manufacturers of spa pumps, controls, blowers, and heaters. Acura Spa Systems.
Replacing and installing your hot tub controller shouldn't break your bank account. So Acura Spa Systems in Riverside, California can help with a universal spa controller made by us right here in the USA at Acura Spa Systems. Your controller usually contains a heater cylinder mounted horizontally across the bottom of the controller box. The Acura Spa Systems universal controller contains a standard 15-inch flange-to-flange heater. So if your old controller has a 15-inch heater, the Acura Spa heater will fit without needing any additional plumbing parts, regardless of the heater's manufacturer. Now you hook up your power supply to the controller. Acura has located a terminal block on the left side of the controller. The design is so simple. You'll understand exactly what to do simply by looking at the clearly labeled terminal schematic adhered to the inside of your controller box. That diagram shows that if you have a 220-volt outlet, line 1, usually a black wire, attaches to the terminal block where it's marked line 1. The neutral wire, usually a white wire, attaches to the terminal block where it's marked neutral. And line 2, usually a red wire, attaches to the terminal block where it's marked line 2. The green ground wire, sometimes a bare copper wire without a color coding, attaches to the ground bar located on the outside of the controller box on its left end. All your electrical components' ground wires will also attach to this bar, which is often called external bonding. If your 240 cord doesn't have a neutral wire, then you can just attach line 1, the black wire, to the terminal block line 1 position. Skip the neutral terminal block position and attach line 2, the red wire, to the line 2 terminal position. Again, the green ground wire attaches to the ground bar located outside the controller box on its left end. When you order the universal controller, you must specify if the 240-volt power supply's incoming electrical wiring to the spa control has a line 1, line 2, neutral, and ground wire, or only a line 1, line 2, and ground wire. If you have a 110-volt outlet, line 1, the black wire, attaches to the terminal block line 1 position. The neutral white wire attaches to the terminal block neutral position. And the green ground wire attaches to the ground bar located outside the controller box on its left end. To be absolutely sure and safe, always measure the voltage of each of your power supply's wires to confirm which wire is which before attaching it to the terminal block. Otherwise, it could burn the transformer or the PC board. Now let's talk about feeding power to all the accessories. Hot tubs can be equipped with one to several pumps, along with a blower or an ozonator with a water purification system, a chlorine-bromine salt generator, or an advanced oxidation process. All of these components inside the hot tub are wired to the receptacles on the left or right outside ends of the controller box. In most cases, the male plug simply attaches to the matching colored receptacles. The other end of the cord has push-on terminal attachments which connect to the back of the designated component motors in a matter of just a few minutes. We highly recommend buying the cords from Acura Spa Systems to ensure all your cords for your hot tub's electrical accessories connect properly. This concludes the accessory electrical connections.
To speak with one of our spa or hot tub professionals, call us at 951-684-6667, extension 223.